Hi, welcome to the PERGOLUX showroom. I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to be walking you through our new pergola models. All of our pergolas have louvered roofs and are 100% powder-coated aluminum, which means they're low maintenance and rust-free. Let's go. This is our standard pergola, which uses a manual hand crank to open and close the louvers. All the louvers are watertight and single-walled. There's an integrated water drainage system, so the gutters are at the top of the beam. The water is going to flow away from the back beam towards the front. There's an integrated slope. Then the water is going to come down these columns here, down to the water drainage holes at the bottom, 2 per column. Every single column is going to have that water drainage channel, but primarily the water comes out these front 2 posts here. To open the louvers, you're just going to use this hand crank, and in 5 to 10 seconds, it'll be open fully to its 110 degrees. We've installed the dimmable warm white LEDs on this one and also added the 1500 watt infrared heater. All of the electrical components are connected to a control box, which is located at the top of the beam in the back right-hand corner behind an access panel. It has a single standard 110-volt power cord and plug that comes out at the bottom of the column. You just need a standard outlet to plug into. There's also an option to hardwire it if you'd like. These components can be controlled via remote control, our app on your smartphone via Bluetooth, and have the capability to be integrated into an existing smart home system. We installed a screen on this one as well. All our screens are manual and retractable. They have a squeeze handle here, so you can just lift and lower the screen as you like. The screens come with their own side tracks, which have notches on them, so you can keep the screen at different intervals. The mesh, very heavy duty, very sturdy. It locks into the side tracks. And these are all used for sun protection primarily, although a lot of our customers will also use it for bug protection or privacy. It's available in anthracite, which is a dark gray, white, black, and anthracite with white louvers. It comes in a wide variety of sizes, 10 by 10, 10 by 13, 10 by 16, 10 by 19, 13 by 13, 13 by 16, and 13 by 19. This here is a 10 by 13. You can see it comfortably fits a table of 6. Really great space. I hope you enjoyed your PERGOLUX tour. Thank you so much for stopping by.